Welcome back to WorldwideGiantGrowers.com. Here's the hydro pumpkin. If you remember a couple videos ago, here's the root system it has now. It's in like a 2-pound jar. Look at that root mass. Holy Toledo. And here's the plant, how big the plant is. So I just thought I'd mess around with hydro because my cousin David tells me, you should be growing hydro, Bubba. You could grow a 3,000-pound pumpkin if you went hydro. But anyways, just messing around. Who knows? Maybe someday. Hey, who knows what about hydro? Tell me how those roots, they look very white, but they also look a little yellowed. I don't think that's a good thing. Please post your comments below, you hydro growers, and tell me what I'm looking at and what I should do next. All right? All right, we'll talk to you soon. Comment on the videos. You may win our next 6-pack. Marks, mixes, and free nutrients at WorldwideGiantGrowers.com, man. Talk to you soon. Keep them growing. The hydro pumpkin. Stay tuned for the Bubba's Long Gourd and Giant Tomato video coming soon.